sanded the motor mounts. I did the ones right here on both sides. Yay! Oh God. That was good. I'm just gonna start. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm Teresa Contreras. We are working on the '68 Ford Bronco right here, and this phase is we got the frame ready. You're going over there now.
We'll
go like this.
Whatever. We're stripping it down right now. So
we're stripping it down. We've got the frame here. We took all the hoses, the lines out.
Everything's going in new, so we're just kind of ripping everything out. We're not keeping any of the old stuff, so it's kind of just going down the bare frame, and then
that's it. So we've got suspension next. So right now we have the motor. So we have the 289 right here, the transmission and the transfer case. We have it all wrapped up. We're getting ready to yank that out. We've been unbolting everything. Hopefully we got everything, but there are lots of little things. There are lots of little cables and wires and everything. So like you said, it's all coming out. It's all coming off. That's it.
Yeah. Pretty
much leaving the body mounts on the frame and everything else we're gonna be grinding down because the suspension's gonna be different. All the mounting points.
Motor's different, trans is different, everything. So axles should be different. So
all of that.
Yeah.
So yes, nothing's going the same. So yeah. So it's kind of a bittersweet, I'm not gonna lie, as we keep doing it. It's kind of we've had some good times. Like slow down a lot of trails. Yeah. That's the goal. We would love to go a lot faster. So yeah, follow along as we tear the rest of this apart.
See you guys.
Cool.
Stop it, start it.
That's why we want video. So you guys can see all the things that we deal with. Okay, so this is on here. Huh? Sanded the motor mounts. I did the ones right here on both sides. Yay! Oh God.
Someone pulled out.
I don't know. Oh, it is the motor mounts. That's what it is on both sides. It just put the pressure on.
Yeah.
That's pretty funny. We're like, things are breaking and falling from it. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Oh, she's just hanging. Got a little higher because of the headers. Huh?
Drive shaft.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, front drive shaft just unbolted but still attached. I have that little one right there, or do you want... It was hard to get that one in there. Okay. So this side, the headers will clear. They got to go a little bit higher. Motor mounts right there. And the drive shaft. Everything else looks pretty clear. What's up? Okay, so now he's doing things like, we got to put this on a pallet so that we can move it out of the way. Basically, we are getting the rest of the garage ready. We're going to do each axle on both sides, lift it back up, roll each one out, and then take those off next. She's getting pretty naked looking now. Almost down to just the frame. What's next?
Hopefully you've been following along as we've been working on our 68 Bronco. We've got everything taken apart on it now. Today we're going to start cutting off all the old suspension mounts that we are not going to be needing going on in the future. So we'll be taking these out and the spring hangers, and I'm just going to be cutting some things off today. So follow along, and hopefully nothing catches on fire. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's really cool right now because there's so much rust in the black paint and everything that we're taking off. And like right now, I can see the VIN numbers. So it's really cool to see things like that on the frame. Just like pieces of like the nostalgia and like the memories of what this frame is. So it's kind of cool. Make sure I get all of this. Hi Daisy, watch out, girl, watch out. Sitting in the snow, why? Cooter, come on, Cooter, come on. Oh shit. I
I know, babe. Just a few crazy things in the desert today. Damage control. Oh my God, some of my cheeks. So cold.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
So you can see with how much snow there is on there, it's just bending the poles. It literally is like ready to touch the ground. I can't even walk under it anymore, and I could walk under it this morning. It's crazy. Or, I know it is. Do it because it's gonna swing. Okay, this is insane, you guys. Look at freaking how much freaking snow just keeps coming. You barely even see anything. It's just so white now. This is insane. Tell me if you need help. Yeah, careful, because that's going to come back towards you, too. That pole, the way you're... well, next to you, yeah. How thick the snow was. It's like almost a foot thick now. Strawberry what? Oh. Pineapple snow cones. Strawberry now? Oh, yeah, the strawberry ones. Strawberry snow cones. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Well, hopefully, that's a lot of water going everywhere.
The Dante could climb on the roof today. That was a good idea.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Come here, Dave.
What are you doing?
Come here. This is their little slide. Go, 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 go. Hey, Roscoe. I love you. Hi, Dave. Hi, Dave.